Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Toyota Tacoma. To begin, make sure your Tacoma is completely off, with all doors closed and locked. This is a crucial first step for the remote start system to activate properly. You'll be using your key fob, so have it ready. This method is straightforward and designed for convenience. Now, let's get to the sequence. On your key fob, press the lock button 3 times. On the third press, hold the button down for about 3 seconds. You should see your Tacoma's hazard lights flash a few times, indicating the remote start has been initiated. The engine will then start, and it typically runs for 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. Here are a few important tips for using remote start. If you open any door before getting in, the engine will shut off, requiring you to restart it manually. Once inside, remember to press the brake pedal and then push the start button to fully engage the vehicle for driving. Also, be aware of the range. Typically, it's about 80 feet, but this can vary. Beyond the key fob, some Toyota Tacoma models also offer remote start capabilities through a smartphone application. This usually requires an active subscription to a connected services plan, providing even greater convenience and range. It's a fantastic feature for those cold mornings or hot afternoons. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.